Hi guys, welcome back again. So in the last video we created this index and register pages, and in this video we will work on forgot password and my account pages, and we will pretty much complete the UI part. So first of all we will copy all the code from register.php and paste it into forgotpassword.php. Now we have to make some changes here. For example, we will remove this one. We will remove now we will change the name of the page to forgot password, and next we don't want any of these links to be active because oops, what happened? Now we will change this text of this submit button to from register to something like send my password, and the name will also be like send _my password. We will have a link below this submit button which will point to index.php, and it will have the class of it will actually have two classes, button and button danger, and the text will be cancel. To cancel the password retrieval process. So now let's go ahead and view that in the browser. We will go to localhost and registration. Now when we click this forgot password, as you can see we have this nice form where I can enter the email, and when I click this button the password of the user will be sent to the user, and I can click this cancel button to go back to the login page. So I think it's done. Now we will move on to myaccount.php page. So we will copy all the code from forgot passwords.php and paste it into myaccount.php. We will remove this form as we don't need a form here. Remove the form, we just need a container. We need to change some links. The link will be account. We will have another link, copy it, and paste it here, and it will be like the link will be logout, and this will actually go to logout.php. We actually didn't create the logout.php, so we will create it. But now we need to add a jumbotron. We want to have a jumbotron, and inside that jumbotron we want to see that welcome text which will say that welcome user. So the class will be Jumbotron, and inside Jumbotron we will have h2, which will be like h2. Oops, I messed up. Okay, now welcome. Now we will start a PHP tag, and it will get the name of the user from the session. Now we will $_ session. We have not actually created the session right now, but we will create it soon. It will be user_name. Okay, I think, but whenever you use this session super global in any of the file, you have to first start the session using this command. Session start. Now we can use the session. So let's go ahead and view the my account link. I think it would be my account.php. Welcome index user_name. That's fine for now, because we have actually not defined this user_name in the session. So when we will define this, there will be no problem. So I think that's it with the video, this video. Now, no, actually we want to do one more thing. We will create the logout file, new file, and save it as logout.php. Save, and it will also be a PHP file. And I think that's it for this video. See you in the next one.